So hey guys, I'm Nick with Inclusion Car Club. My brother is Brandon. Just gonna show you my car real quick. We'll do a little quick walk around. I have a 2002 Audi TT Quattro. It is 6-speed manual, all-wheel drive. Not really much going on with her, not yet. I do have a side exit exhaust from the cat back. Pretty clean little car. Definitely a lot of fun. There will be more mods to come on it. I have a K&N filter system on it. Pop it open real quick. Clean interior, leather, 6-speed manual there. And got a K&N on it, nice little turbo. It's a pretty quick little car. It's fun. There will be more modifications coming with that soon. I have a downpipe, and then we'll do a full exhaust. More to come on that. The reason why we're here tonight is my buddy Trey. He's part of the club as well. He's got a 2007, right?
2007.
Yep, 2007 Nissan Sentra SCR. And tonight we're gonna do a full catback exhaust on it. So we're just getting some stuff taken down so we can remove it. Already got everything lubed up on there. Should be fairly straightforward and simple. Here's the new catback going on there. It's actually really beefy. It is an eBay part, but it's actually very well put together. Researched it before he bought it. 3-inch, right? Three inch all the way. Yeah, 3-inch with a 4-inch tip. Just check a look at this. The welds are actually really neat on this. Really nice. They're actually pretty well put together here. Actually goes over the axle back section here. So we're gonna throw you guys on a time lapse. We're gonna get some of this taken apart. We'll check in with you here in a minute, all right? So we got the old piece out. Here's the old exhaust right here. It is pretty tore up, yeah. Homeboy actually had an exhaust gasket or exhaust leak right here. It's all cracked. So yeah, here's what it looks like without it. Comes with new kit, comes with new gaskets and everything. Nice new bolts. Should be a breeze to put back in, man. It actually came out really easy. A lot of the times you have problems with these hangers. Yep, everything seems to be lining up. Doesn't seem like there's any fitment issues. So we're gonna throw you guys back on another time lapse. Throw this up, and hopefully we'll
use the stock mats. So unless these ones fit these.
We'll maybe we'll be running into an issue with bolts, but we'll figure it out. No, yep, sweet. So yeah, we'll throw you back on a time lapse, and we'll hopefully have it sealed up and do a startup. Just give us a few minutes. So we just got it all put on, and I gotta say, for eBay, it is hella good fitment. It is right spot on. Everything is pretty, I mean, all the hangers and everything are nice. They all match up. We're just getting it all buttoned up and bolted up. Look at this, I mean, spot on. No rubbing, no cutting. No problems. I mean, it was super straightforward. Probably the fastest catback install I've ever done on a car. We're just gonna get everything tightened up, make sure we have, no leaks, and then we'll get a couple revs and a couple drive around, all right? All right, so we got everything bolted up. Just got an issue with our lock here on our lift. It freaking likes to get caught up. So we should have everything nice and tight. We're gonna fire it up, put it back up in the air, double check all of our joints and gaskets, make sure that we're not leaking any exhaust anywhere. Yeah, literally, that cat back install was probably, yeah, you're right. That cat back install was probably about 15 minutes at the most, literally. I mean, not even time lapse. I'm talking just in general. It only took us probably about 15 minutes to get it all taken off and all bolted on. That's how well thought out that project. What was the company name? CR?
What is it? Concepts.
CR Concepts. So if you're looking for an exhaust for your 2007 Nissan Sentra SER, highly recommend them. It was very smooth. We'll be getting a downpipe for his car as well. It's a you know, it's not turbocharged or anything, but everything benefits from a free-flowing exhaust. Check out this interior. It's not a spec V, but I mean, it's got
Messy as it is.
yeah, as messy it is, but it's got the clean seats, good bolstered seats in it. Here we go, first startup. Hold on. All right, here we go, first startup. Yeah, a lot louder than I expected. A lot louder than I expected. A little raspy, but it also, you got to think, once you get an exhaust with the muffler, it takes time to break it in. You know, that muffler's gonna break in a little bit. It'll get a little bit deeper.
No leaks.
Oh yeah, yeah, we're good. First try, we got that tight, nice. So a little bit of an issue we can see is the exhaust kind of hangs out a little bit to the right. We want to go a little bit more in on it. So kind of what I think we might do is we might get a hose clamp and stick it like right there. That way it'll shove it over and it'll hold that shut right there. So give us a minute. I'll put you on another time lapse real quick, and then maybe we'll go for a drive. All right, he's gonna do a little drive out. Drive up. It's kind of loud out here. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear it. Woo! Yeah, come on. All right, we're gonna go take it for a spin around the block real quick. See how this thing sounds. Gotta make sure the ship's all locked up. Throttle Alright guys, so we're done with the night. Car came together really fast, really quick. Like I said, one of the easiest installs I've ever done on a cat pack exhaust system. Literally took about, maybe a total of 30 minutes to get everything done. If we weren't videoing, we would have had it done quick. I want to appreciate y'all watching the video. Like and subscribe. We're really trying to do good this year. We're trying to come up. We'll be bringing you more content. I have my car here that I'm gonna have a downpipe on. We're gonna be doing a stage 2 tune on it. Little bits here and there. I mean, we have little things. We want you guys to show us, pictures of your cars. Tell us what you've done to them. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I've been doing mechanic work for about 17 years. I'm actually a manager at my shop that I'm at here, and I'm pretty knowledgeable on vehicles. So if you have something